Hi, I'm Dale. This is how to install drawer runners. Let's get into it. There are a few different types of runners, but the most common are soft close and push to open. Start by separating the two parts of the runner. Press the release tab and the inner guide will slide out. This lets you work on the cabinet and drawer separately. Lay out your runners and check your cabinet. If there are pre-drilled holes, use those as a guide. Make sure the open end of the bracket is at the back of the drawer, making sure the setback is the same on both sides so the drawer closes properly. Always refer to the instructions that come with your runners. They'll help you identify the correct fixing points. Fix the outer runners inside the cabinet using the correct holes and 14mm screws. Pre-drill if needed and check the screws are inserted straight and flush. Any raised screw heads can interfere with the mechanism. Attach the inner guides to the drawer sides. Use the pre-drilled locator holes if they're there and make sure you've got the correct guide on the left and the right. Line them up evenly and secure them with the screws. Now slide your drawer into your cabinet. Line up the guides and push the drawer in until it clicks into place. Some runners may need a firm push to engage. Open and close the drawer to make sure it runs smoothly. If you're using soft close runners like us, you feel them catch gently at the end. We've set up these 3 drawers with 3 different types of drawer runners. The installation process for the 3 drawer runners is the same, with the exception of where you put your screws. But the way they work is different. This one is a standard drawer runner, this one is a soft close, and this last drawer here is push to open where the drawer runner releases with a gentle press. And that's it. If you like this video, check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help you tackle your next project with confidence.